What's up guys, Pressy here, we're back with another video. Today we're talking about things that you need to do before install iOS 12. So right in front of me is an iPhone 6. As you know, this is already installed iOS 12. Let me show you. General, we go to about. This is iOS 12. So 2.47 GB. I didn't install anything. I only do for review. Well, it's quite smooth after iOS 12, but there are some things that you need to bear in mind before you install in iOS 12. So number one is to make sure your battery. Now your battery health, make sure it should be 80% above in order to install iOS 12, because if it's below 80%, the WWDC will say that it helps to improve the speed, but if the battery is below 80%, it will not show any good inside this is iPhone. So it's better to replace the battery, and of course the replacement program is end in December. So be sure to change battery, either your iPhone 6, your 6s, your 7, or even your iPhone 8. You think that you want to change a fresh battery before install iOS 12. And of course, iPhone 10s and iPhone 10R is just round the corner. I don't pre-order it because my day driver phone is the Samsung Galaxy S9, but this is my backup phone, is the iPhone 6. Now number two is, before all you do anything, make sure is to back up your iCloud. It's better to back up it, because just in case if you install and then they say written there restore your account backup and you forgot to backup, they might end up deleting your profile in the end. And be sure to remember that your SIM must be in the phone, because it's really important. Because if you remove the SIM, in one thing which happen, they'll ask you your phone is locked. Mostly ask you how to put the SIM to unlock the phone. Sometimes either if you're using a carrier like Optus in Australia, Vodafone, or Spring in America. Now one thing that you need to know is that if you want to jailbreak this phone, let's say you want to jailbreak the iPhone 6 and iOS 12 doesn't have a jailbreak yet, and you really need a jailbreak to modify your phone, it's risky, but if you want it, it's better don't install iOS 12, because the problem is that there's not any leaks about iOS 12 or for the jailbreak. So it's better to stay the same software. And also one more thing is that because this other private beta is only give developers, but the problem with this is that if you want to download the public beta in 18 September, which is in the Asia country, most of people would download up the Ultra at the same time. So after you install, you might realize there are some bugs. So Apple might release another beta update, let's say a 12.0.1 beta 1, and to store those bugs. But I see that it's better to install the public beta, and you give you GM version of iOS 12. It's better to do it quickly before 18 September, because if you do in 18 September, your phone might be lagged one day, and it's saying every time, even you install iOS 11. That's why I always wait for this 11.0.1 or 11.3. And if you guys prefer jailbreak this phone, then it's better doing, but it's risky. If you want to replace the battery, they might not want to replace the battery. They might ask you to charge a fee of 300 Malaysian ringgit if you're in Malaysia. In other country, I don't know what rules they're going to use it, but in Apple Store, it might be straight as you get another phone or upgrade your phone. And of course, I'm not going to pre-order it. As I always tell you, my Samsung Galaxy S9 is my day driver phone, but I use their wallpaper, iOS 12 wallpaper. And bear in mind, the Apple didn't even include any new wallpapers, only for the new phone. So it's something that we are not very appreciate with Apple. See, it's only got, and they remove iOS 10 as well. At least we got iOS 11, which has still had the beautiful wallpaper. That's fine. Those wallpaper I don't prefer. This one is not odd. It's only good if you're using the first generation iPhone. Now, of course, iOS 12, we got new book app, stocks, and the voice recording is right up there. I lazy to click on it. And of course, when you install new app store, or when you click in, then one thing in that very disappointed about they just remove it. That's it. It's gone. There's no There's no more. You guys we click iPhone, it's gone. It's 8 and 7. That's it. Very disappointed. Okay, that's all for today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and peace out.